Hello everyone, so today we will see the assignment of class 6 13th week math. Here is a question. Due to 5% raise in the price, 8 less oranges are available at Taka 552. Express 4% as fraction and 15% as ratio. What is the price of 1 dozen of oranges at present? To make a profit of 25%, what should be the selling price of each dozen of oranges? Number A, fraction of 4%, there will be 4 by 100 because percent will be 100 and 4 will be cutted to 100 and here will be 25 and here will be 1. So the answer will be 1 by 25. Then ratio of 15%, 15 by 100, 15 will be cutted by 5 and here will be 3 and 100 will be cutted by 5, here will be 20. So there will be 3 by 20 and the ratio will be 3:20. Therefore, fraction of 4% equal 1 by 25 and ratio of 15% equal 3:20. And let's go to the B. Die to raise 5 1 by 7% or 36 by 7%. Price of 100 takas oranges raises 36 by 7. Price of 1 takas oranges raises 36 7 into 100 taka. Price of 552 takas oranges raises 36 into 552, 7 into 100. Here 36 will be cutted by 4 and here will be 9 and 100 will be cutted by 4 and here will be 25. So then we will multiply 7 into 25, here will be 175 and 9 into 552, here will be 4968 or 4968. And then we will do division of 175 and 4968. Here will be 28.39. Here will be here it will be keep going, so we will not write 88888. We will write 39. Then we know 1 dozen equal 12. Now current price of 8 oranges equal 28.39 taka or current price of 1 oranges equal 28.39 by 8 and current price of 12 oranges equal 28.39 and into 12 by 8. Here it will be cutted by 4 and here will be 3 and it will also be cutted by 4 and here will be 2. And then we will multiply 3 into 28.39 and the answer will be 85.17 by 2. Then we will do division of it. 2 divided by 85.17 divided by 2 and the answer will be 42.585 but we will wrote it 42.59 because it will be also keep going. So I will write 59. Therefore, current price of 1 dozen oranges is 42.59 taka. Answer to the question number 3. From 3B, current price of 1 dozen of oranges is 42.59 taka given that in the profit of 25 1 by 2% or 51 by 2%. 25 will be multiplied by 2 and will be 15 and here will be addition with 1 and will be 51 and 2 will be remaining 51 by 2%. Now if the cost is 100 taka, then sale price equal 100 plus 51/2 taka, and then we will multiply 2 into 100, and here will be 200 plus 51/2, and the answer will, and here will be 251/2 taka. Then if the cost price is 1 taka, then the sale price is 251/2 into 100 taka. Then if the cost price is 42.59 taka, then the sale price will be 251 into 42.59 by 2 into 100, and here it will be multiplied to 251 will be multiplied by 42.59, and 2 will be multiplied by 100, and the answer will be 10,690.09 by 200, and then we have to divide it. 200 10,690.09 divided by 200, and the answer will be 53.45 taka. Therefore, 1 dozen of oranges is sold by 53.45 taka. Thank you.